Bakers and pastry chefs often work with two different measurement systems, the U.S. and the metric system. Most Americans still use the U.S. system, which expresses weight in ounces and pounds, and volume in teaspoons, tablespoons, cups, quarts, and gallons. But the metric system is actually easier to follow, more precise, and less confusing. The metric system uses decimals and units of 10 to express all measurements. Weight, volume, and length are measured in grams, milligrams, and kilos, liters and milliliters, and centimeters and meters, respectively. 1 ounce equals 28.35 grams. To do an approximate conversion, round this number to 30. And in the U.S. system, temperature is measured on the Fahrenheit scale. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Other countries express temperature using the Celsius scale, on which water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Baker's percentage is yet another way to express ingredients in a bake shop formula. This measuring system is commonly used when a formula contains flour as its main ingredient, such as in breads, muffins, cookies, and cakes. When the ingredients are expressed as a percentage, the baker can quickly see the relationship between ingredients and will know at a glance what kind of product the formula will produce. Baker's percentage also makes it easy to increase or decrease a formula yield. In this method, flour is the main ingredient, so it is expressed as 100%. Every other ingredient is expressed as a percentage of the amount of flour in the formula. To demonstrate, we will convert this formula for Italian bread to Baker's percentage. The weight of the flour, 32 ounces, becomes 100%, so 32 ounces of flour equals 100%. Now, divide the weight of the other ingredients by the weight of the flour. 23 ounces of water divided by 32 ounces of flour equals 0.718, which we round up to 0.72, or 72%. 0.56 ounces of salt divided by 32 ounces equals 0.0175, which we round to 2%. And 0.56 ounces of yeast divided by 32 ounces equals 0.0175, or 2%. Looking at this same Italian bread dough formula written in metric measurements will help explain how Baker's percentages are computed. Most bake shop formulas in metric are based on 1 kilo or 1,000 grams of flour. In the Italian bread dough formula, 1,000 grams, which is equivalent to slightly more than 2 pounds, equals 100%. Notice how the metric system makes the calculation of Baker's percentage much simpler. 720 grams of water divided by 1,000 is 0.72, or 72%. 20 grams of salt and yeast divided by 1,000 is 0.02, or 2%. And finally, when working with Baker's percentage, always calculate the total percentage. That is, add up all the percentages. In this case, the total percentage is 176%. You'll need to know the total percentage when you increase or decrease a formula using Baker's percentage, as we'll see shortly.